Snowstorm, blizzard. Looking whiter than the Oscars. Saturday, January 23rd. If you're caught out there at 2:30 in the afternoon, you'll be arrested. Yeah, fuck you. I'm going out there anyway. Stay my ass home, watching Netflix, wrestling, and porno. Has begun.
You're watching Mr. White show, baby.
I'm reloaded! I'm reloaded!
Pathetic fool. Feel the power of
Yo. Fuck you, Groundhog. Snowing. Can't really say it, but snowing. Snowing hard. And not superstitious. Well, I am kind of superstitious. My groundhogs and all that, but motherfucker see a shadow. 6 months of bad weather. Man, fuck superstition. Fuck the groundhog. Mother Nature fault. Biatch. Groundhog Day. February 2nd. I'm telling you white people, man. You white people in the winter wear shorts, sandals, and a bubble jacket. No face. Fuck on y'all, man. Like you be a damn mind. You hot or you cold. None of this fucking bubble jacket and shorts, and sandals, flip-flops. It's Groundhog Day. And ᵂᵃᵃ, motherfucker. Didn't see a shadow, but now we have 6 months of bad weather. So I don't believe in you. Fuck you, ᵂᵃᵃ. That's the Bill Murray, Groundhog Day. But this show's gonna be short and sweet. Fuck you white people who wear bubble jackets and shorts. Fuck you winter. Spring. Where you at? Hurry up. Come quick.